Despite FAA warnings, new legislation aims to extend drone privacy laws and allow reasonable force to remove unauthorized UAVs by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb. Florida drone pilots may have to be more careful about flying over and around populated areas as a proposed bill moves through the Florida Senate that would allow homeowners to shoot UAVs flying illegally around private property. The bill, an extension of a 2024 act that made it illegal to take photos or videos of persons or private property using a drone without permission, although it was silent on the issue of live surveillance, would empower homeowners to use reasonable force to take down drones flying over their property. Current FAA regulations are fairly clear that private citizens can't shoot aircraft out of the sky, with violators earning hefty fines and possible jail time. While the FAA declined to comment on pending legislation that has not been passed into law, they did make it clear that firearms are not a solution to unwanted drones. It's illegal under federal law to shoot at an aircraft, the FAA said in a statement to Fox News Digital. A private citizen shooting at any aircraft, including unmanned aircraft, poses a significant safety hazard. An unmanned aircraft hit by gunfire could crash, causing damage to persons or property on the ground, or it could collide with other objects in the air. Shooting at an unmanned aircraft could result in a civil penalty from the FAA and criminal charges from federal, state, or local law enforcement. The bill's sponsor declined to comment to Fox News. While the bill is unlikely to allow Floridians to shoot into the sky at will due to the enforcement priorities of the FAA, further regulation against drones has continued due to privacy and safety concerns. As negative press around drone sightings continues to be politicized, further bills to increase penalties for unauthorized or illegal drone flights have become more prevalent. Related proposed regulations in Florida included new rules introduced by Republican House member Jennifer Canati that significantly increase penalties for drone violations, including making it a felony to fly drones over critical infrastructure. The full bill, including amendments, is available here. Read more. A big win for drone delivery in Florida. New legislation will smooth the way for drone ports. Florida ban on foreign drones for state use takes effect. Arizona bill seeks to shield law enforcement from liability for shooting down drones near border.